Dear guests, welcome to Douala. It is now 6:53 p.m. local time and the outside temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight around your waist until we switch off the fasten seatbelt sign. Passengers seated in business class must also keep their shoulder belts attached. Laptops and larger items must remain stowed. Be careful when opening an overhead locker as items could fall out. We thank all passengers leaving us here for flying Brussels Airlines, a Starlines member. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Passengers continuing their travels to Yaoundé must remain on board. Thank you. Welkom in Douala. Het is nu 18 uur en 54 minuten plaatselijke tijd en de temperatuur bedraagt 32 graden. Blijft u alstublieft zitten en laat uw vellig